Hello everyone, welcome to the user email configuration tutorial. We're going to go through in this guide basically how to set up your user email within Xoro. So basically you're going to want to set up this email if you're sending out reports, if you're sending out attached PDFs of orders to customers. And basically the email that Xoro is going to use is this email. So this is the user email that's specific to your user. So I'm going to access this by on user email setup here. And the first thing I want to do is start entering this information. You can select two types of emails, one of two, so webmail or exchange. If you select exchange, just fill in this information. Let's do webmail for the purposes of this tutorial. And basically, I'm going to start entering the information. Typically, if you have a Gmail backend, these are the settings that you're going to want to use. So basically smtp.gmail.com, and your port number is going to be 587. You're going to enable SSL. And for the password, I'm actually going to purposely put in a incorrect password, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to try validating these settings. And so basically it's going to give me an error saying that something in your settings is incorrect. So basically if this comes up for you, you're going to want to make sure that your email is correct, your ports are correct, and most importantly, your password is correct too. So I'm going to go ahead, correct my password, click save, and I'm going to validate, and the test has been verified.